Alright guys, so I'm going to take a little break from doing the exterior and I'm going to try my hand at wrapping the dashboard, the door card, stuff like that. When you get the pieces, there's going to be these little gray spots every here and there. All you have to do is you take a flathead screwdriver and you just scrape it off. It just kind of comes right off. Not too big of a deal. And then once you get that all scraped off, get just a regular sanding block or something, sand it down. It's already pretty smooth from the Vaydor factory, but can't hurt. Then after that, get some rubbing alcohol, clean it off, make sure it's as clean as you can, and then you use spray adhesive. Just spray it on, let it tack up. Don't do the whole thing at once because it'll dry before you get to the other side of it. So spray the spray adhesive on the dashboard and then on the Suede. Both of them, let it tack up for a second, then you can start laying it down, smooth it out. I got this Suede from Joann Fabrics. It's pretty nice. It was half off, so ended up being a pretty good deal. Also, before you wrap anything, I didn't mark them out yet, but around here, here, and then the same place on the other side, you're gonna want to cut your holes for the air conditioning vents. I ordered mine, they'll be here tomorrow, so I'm gonna wait till then to actually wrap this. But you cut the holes and then you wrap it, that way you don't have to cut through the fabric later. I just finished making one of the paper templates. I'm then gonna cut that out of foam, wrap it in leather, and then that's gonna be one of the insert pieces that goes here. The rest is gonna be in Suede. I'm gonna make another template for this area over here, and then the centerpiece. That's all gonna be white, and then the rest, the outside, is gonna be black. Suede down, cut it to about the shape I wanted, and then I just sprayed on. It's kind of hard to see, but I sprayed down the spray adhesive. You have to let it dry for 10 minutes and then you can start laying it down. Spray it on both the Suede and the dashboard, and then once it's dry you can start laying it down, smoothing it out, making it look good. So I got part of the first half wrapped. I just did the top half. I'm gonna do this all Suede. This is just loosely in here. I'm gonna cut around so I can do the leather in here. And then down here, the first half is gonna be Suede, and then I'm gonna stitch a piece that does leather and comes across here. So that's why it's all not that even down there. That's gonna be covered. And then the rest of this is pretty much wrapped. I still have to finish stretching out some of it, get it all laid down smoothly, but it's basically how it's gonna look. And it wasn't too bad actually. Just got done cutting the hole so I can do the leather here, air conditioning vent. I did the other side, got it all wrapped, nice and smooth, cut some relief cuts everywhere. I cut them all on the edges, but I have to flip it over to glue them. I left these little areas that poke out, I left those unwrapped for now because it'll be easier when I flip it over just to do it all at once. This is it for this video. Next video, you'll see me cutting the holes, wrapping the leather, doing all that kind of stuff, pretty much finishing up the dashboard as much as I can at this point. Thanks for watching.